Okay, good morning everyone. So today it's a continuation of topic yesterday about order of operation on a whole number using PEMDAS and GEMDAS. So what does PEMDAS means? When we say PEMDAS, parenthesis, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. While GEMDAS means groupings, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So in any numerical expression that has more than one operation, ito po ang gagamitin natin. When we say more than one operation, hindi lang po addition, hindi lang subtraction, kundi sa isang expression, merong addition, merong subtraction, multiplication, or division. Minsan, dalawang operation, minsan tatlo, minsan lahat ng operation nandun sa isang equation or expression. Now, let us follow the rules in solving a series of equation using PEMDAS. Sabi po rito, to perform a series of operation on whole number involving more than two operation using PEMDAS or GEMDAS rules. By the way, we say GEMDAS, it's groupings. So there are different symbols we can see in an equation pag sinabi pong groupings. These symbols is what we call parentheses. This one is brackets and this one is braces. Kapag na-encounter po natin sa isang equation itong tatlong to, ang una po nating sasagutin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. Sunod yung nasa bracket and then sunod yung nasa braces. Anyway, hindi pa naman natin yan ma-encounter kasi nasa elementary pa lang naman kayo. Soon, pag nag-high school kayo, ayan, lahat ng symbols na to, makikita nyo sa isang equation. Now, let's proceed. Sabi sa rule number 1, perform the operation within each pair of groupings symbols, such as parentheses, bracket, and braces, beginning with the innermost pair. So again, kung ano daw yung pinaka nasa loob ng isang equation, yun ang uunay. So let's have an example here. So 100 divided by, open and close parenthesis, 18 plus 10 minus 18 times 4. So, di ba sabi po sa rule number 1, unahin daw hanapin yung merong groupings or yung symbol na parenthesis, bracket, or braces. In this equation, meron tayong parenthesis o wala? Okay, very good. Meron. So, therefore, uunahin natin sagutin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. But, doon sa loob ng parenthesis natin, we have two operation to be used. We have addition and subtraction. Ano kaya ang uunahin dyan? So, tignan natin yung rule number 3. So, perform addition and subtraction as they occur from left to right. So, since may nakita tayong parenthesis sa loob ng equation at sa loob ng parenthesis walang multiplication, walang division, therefore, ang una natin sasagutin is addition and subtraction. Okay, so unahin natin ang addition kasi sabi nga rito kung ano daw yung mag-a-occur from left to right o kung ano yung mauuna. Hindi dahil sinabing nauna ang A ay laging addition ang mauuna at laging S ang mauhuli. Tandaan ha, pag nagsosolve po tayo ng equation na nasa loob ng parenthesis or kahit wala sa loob ng parenthesis, titignan nyo anong operation ang nauna o from left to right. So in this case, since ang nauna ay addition, so mag-a-add muna tayo. Let us copy this. 100 divided by, open and close, sagutin natin ito muna, 18 plus 10 is equal to, very good, 28, then copy the number again, times 4. Now, in this case, do we still have parentheses? Meron pa rin ba tayong parentheses? Yes, meron pa rin po tayong parentheses. So, we have 28 minus 18. Now, since we still have parentheses, si parentheses pa rin ang una natin o yung equation pa rin sa loob ng parentheses ang una nating sasagutin. Now, let's copy this. 100 divided by 28 minus 18 is equal to, okay, very good, 10 times 4. Now, take a look the equation. So, we have, anong operation na lang ang natitira? Very good, we have division and multiplication. Ang tanong, sino uunahin ko? Sabi rito, PEMDAS or MDAS. M and D. Kailangan ba laging uunahin si multiplication? Okay, very good. Hindi. Kasi diba sabi sa rule number 2, perform multiplication and division as they occur from left to right. Sino ba yung nasa left? O sino ba yung mas nauunang operation? So, sa operation na to, mas nauna si division kaysa kay multiplication. Nasa left si division and nasa right si multiplication. Therefore, unahin natin tong sagutin. 100 divided by 10 is equal to, okay, very good, 10 times 4. Now, 10 times 4 is equal to, okay, very good, 40. Therefore, our answer is 40. Kasi nga, inuna natin yung nasa parentheses. Hanggat merong natitirang parentheses, yun pa rin ang uunahin nating isolve. Pag wala na yung parentheses, since ito na lang natira, since multiplication and division ang natitira at sabi sa rule kung ano yung mag-occur sa left papuntang right. Since mas nauna ang division, nag-divide muna tayo bago tayo nag-multiply. So, let's have another equation. So, example number 2. We have 2 plus 100 divided by 2 minus 6. So again, follow the rules. Find the parentheses. Do we have parentheses in this given equation? Okay, wala. So since wala, sunod nating hahanapin multiplication or division. Again, sino yung unang mag-occur from left to right? O kung sino yung unang operation ang makikita natin. Hindi laging hindi laging una ang M, hindi laging huli ang D. Kung sino sa kanilang operation ang mauna. So, in this equation, anong meron dyan? Okay, we have addition, division, and subtraction. Dahil walang parenthesis, multiplication or division. So, ang una natin sasagutin ay, okay, very good, yung 100 divided by 2. So, let's copy the given number. Let's answer is 100 divided by 2 is, okay, very good, 50, then minus 6. Now, tignan din natin yung equation. So, sino na lang natitira? Okay, we have addition and subtraction. O sino uunahin ko sagutin dyan? Si addition ba dapat? O si subtraction? Okay, very good si addition. Bakit? Dahil ba A na doon? No. Hindi tandaan na hindi laging A ang nauuna sa isang equation. Hindi rin laging nahuhuli ang subtraction. Depende kung sino mauna sa kanilang dalawa. In this case, dahil nauna si addition kay subtraction, so mag-a-add muna tayo bago mag-subtract. So let's proceed. 2 plus 50 is equal to, very good, 52, then copy the remaining number. Now, 52 minus 6 is equal to, okay, very good, 46. Therefore, our answer in this equation is 46. Okay, you get it? Now, let's have another example, yung medyo complicated. Okay, we have 81 minus 86 divided by 2 plus, open and close parenthesis, 9 times 2 minus 50 is equal to n. Anyway, itong n na to means number. It will represent your answer. Huwag nyo siyang isasama sa equation nyo, ha? Hindi yan kasama dito sa given equation. Kumbaga, n, siya yung magiging sagot nyo. Now, look the equation. Unang hanapin ay parentheses. Do we have parentheses in this equation? Okay, very good. We have. That is 9 times 2. Now, let's answer it first. Copy the equation. 81 minus 86 divided by 2 plus 9 times 2 is equal to, okay, very good, 18 minus 50. Now, tignan mo ang equation. Ano-anong operation ang natitira? Very good, we have subtraction, division, addition, and subtraction again. Ano kayang operation ang sunod ko yung sasagutin? Always remember the rules. PEMDAS, after finding the parentheses, let's find the multiplication or division. Okay, very good. Ang natin sasagutin ay ang division. Kasi nga, ang sabi sa rules, parentheses muna, then look, pag nasagot na yung nasa loob ng parentheses, look for multiplication or division. Since sa equation na to, wala nang multiplication, division na lang ang natitira, so si division ang ating sasagutin. So copy the number again. 86 divided by 2, tab, very good, 43 plus 18 minus 50. Now, in this case, ano na lang operation natitira? Okay, we have subtraction, addition, and subtraction again. So in this case, we can perform it na from left to right. Since ang titira na lang naman ay addition and subtraction. Diba? Sabi nga, kapag wala ng multiplication and division, that was the time that we are looking for addition or subtraction. Ang operation na una natin sasagutin, yung nasa left papunta sa right na. Kasi sa equation na to, wala nang division, wala nang multiplication. Now, let's proceed. 81 minus 43. Okay, we have 38 plus 18 minus 50. Now, let's answer this. 38 plus 18, we have 56. Kita nyo pa ba? Okay, this is 56 ha. Minus 50. Now, 56 minus 50 is equal to? Okay, very good. 6. Therefore, our answer is 6. Dito ko na lang ilalagay para malinaw. So, ang sagot natin ay 6. Do you get it? Always remember lang, class, ha? in answering an expression or equation with two or more operation, follow the rules GEMDAS. Huwag natin siyang sasagutin ng dire-diretso na 81 minus 86 and so on and so forth. Hindi ganon ang pagsagot kapag ang isang equation ay nagko-compose ng two or more operation. Ang unang gagawin, hanapin si parenthesis. Pag na-solve nyo na yung nasa loob ng parenthesis, sunod na hahanapin ay multiplication or division. Again, hindi laging una ang multiplication. Depende kung sino sa kanilang dalawa ang nasa left side papunta sa right side. Kung sino maunang operation, yun ang una nating isosolve. Now, kapag wala ng multiplication and division, that was the time na hanapin na natin ang addition and subtraction. Same rules. Kung sino mauna dun sa dalawa or anong operation ang mauna, yun ang sasagutin natin. Parang tulad nito. Dahil addition and subtraction na lang ang narito, kung sino yung nauna. Dahil nauna si subtraction, siya ang uunahin natin sagutin. Sumunod addition at sumunod uli ang subtraction. Hindi dahil nauna rito, ay A po nauna dyan eh. Dapat ito muna, no. Kasi ang rules natin, those are operation na mag-occur from left to right. Is that clear to everyone? Okay, that's all for now. Hope you understand. Now, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call my attention. You can give me a direct message para po na sa ganon, matugunan natin ang inyong mga issues or queries. Paalala po muli, kapag may nakita po tayong errors sa ating mga modules or answer sheets or activity sheets, huwag po agad ipopost sa Facebook. Kasi hindi naman po kayo matutulungan. Mas matutulungan po kayo ng guro. Kung may nakita po kayong error or mali sa solution, sa problem, or even the sentence, sa construction ng paragraph or sentence, i-call nyo po ang attention ng inyong mga teacher on that particular subject. Nagkakaintindihan po ba? So maraming salamat po. Sana nakatulong ang video na to para na sa ganon ay masagutan nyo yung given problem sa ating modules. Once again, thank you very much. God bless you all.